Hey, what's up guys? This is Didier from MVMT Montreal. I hope you're all doing great. Today I want to talk about the Ido Portal Spinal Wave. The more healthy your spine is, the more mobility of movement you have into your spine, the healthier you're going to feel inside of your body, and it's really going to help you improve the quality of your life. So let's dive in. So you're going to start with sliding the head forward and going to touch the wall with the tip of your nose. Alright, so really this movement here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to start looking up, and as you're going to start moving the head upward because you're trying to look up, what's going to happen is your nose is going to get away from the wall and your chin is going to touch the wall. Then if you notice here, my head is going back, so that's the objective. I'm starting by moving the head forward and then upward. And as I keep on looking up, my chest is going to start touching the wall. Make sure that the rib cage here, see, you can pass your finger through, so make sure the rib cage is not touching. You want to make sure you're touching only one point at a time. So here, chest, keep on looking up, and then you're going to feel the rib cage touching. Keep on looking up, and then it's going to be the abdomen touching the wall. And then you're going to press into the pelvis against the wall. As you're pressing into the wall with the pelvis, you're going to bring back the chin toward the chest. So moving the head to both extremities. And then what you're going to do is you're going to dive back with the nose. So nose, chin, chest, rib cage, abdomen, and pelvis. And in the beginning, maybe you're going to feel like you're putting a lot of tension inside of your body. Maybe even you're cutting the breath. So as you're going to start moving and keep on doing that spinal wave, try to relax, try to use the breath and keep a constant movement. But make sure that you're touching only one point. So nose, chin, chest, ribs, abs, pelvis. What really helps is to sing the song. Make a song in your head. You don't need to use exactly the same words I'm using, but what I like to use is nose, chin, chest, rib, abs, pelvis. Nose, chin, chest, rib, abs, pelvis. Always making sure that there's only one point that is touching the wall. So as you're going to get better, maybe you can move a little bit more away from the wall, and you're going to start touching the wall, but less leaning onto the wall until you're really able to do the spinal wave away from the wall. Again, nose, chin, chest, rib, abs, pelvis. Nose, chin, chest, ribs, abs, pelvis, and so on. So really making sure you're using both extremities of the spine into their maximum range of movement. So you see my hips, I'm pushing the hips backward and forward. Backward and forward. Same thing with my head. Backward, forward. Backward, forward. Alright, I hope that this will be useful. Guys, try to do this every day between 3 to 5 minutes. I would even push it 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you and see you soon.